How to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat app on your phone. When you go ahead and tap on search and search for the person who have blocked you, you will not be able to see their account. So how to see their chats? It's actually really simple. You want to go back to the home screen and tap on the profile-like option on the top left corner. Then tap on settings that is on the top right corner. Now you want to scroll down until you see My Data. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you want to select all of it that you want to download. For now, we have to see the chats. So all we have to do is select chat history and unselect everything else. After that, you want to tap on next that is in the bottom right corner. Then here you can enter the date from what date to what date you want to download the chat history of. Then tap on submit in the bottom right corner. After some time, Snapchat will reach out to you through the email. So that is all for today's video. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.